Here are some quick tips on how to save with AT&T, Lumen, and Verizon on your WAN, internet, and voice services. So one of the big tips is, don't pay for billing errors and don't pay for services that you're not using or are underutilized and you can downsize. So, this might sound easier said than done, and that is true. One of the things to get there is you really need to create an inventory of all your services and have a rigorous method of going through and looking at every single billing line item and making sure it's being billed for correctly and that you're not paying for an underutilized service or unused service. So we've definitely seen, working with AT&T and Verizon and Lumen, that, and Windstream and pretty much anybody else, that they will charge you for things that you're not using anymore. And billing errors will creep in. That can be as much as 10% of your bill, sometimes worse if you're with AT&T. Often though, it's not that bad, but typically about 25% of a $100,000 and up vendor spend, $1 million vendor spend, can be spent on unused, underutilized services. So it's pretty easy to save a lot of money by getting rid of those. So that's where we come in. We have a done for you service where we come in and create an inventory of everything you're buying, get all the vendor billing data from the vendor portals, and we come up with all of these cost savings ideas to get rid of billing errors, get rid of unused, underutilized services, and also help you make sure you get the best rates. So, we've actually found entire data centers worth of circuits, which spread across multiple bills, saving hundreds of thousands of dollars a year. That's an extreme case, obviously, but we've also found, circuits which were supposedly upgraded, but they still kept billing for the old circuit. We also found circuits where there was a disconnect ordered and they only disconnected part of it, and they kept billing for other services or even security services which run on top of the underlying disconnected internet connections. So these are all great ways to save money and really works. And if you'd like help with this, because we do know it is a ton of work, please reach out. I'm Anders Mikkelsen with Berlin Pacific, and you can go to our website and also find me on LinkedIn. I'd love to talk to anyone and see if I can help you guys save some money. Take care.